Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the Edge Insight CTS2 monitor on this 2017 Ford F-250. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we need to do is go to edgeproducts.com, click on Updates, download and install the Fusion software, start the Fusion software update, and then follow the directions to get the latest version. Okay guys, so we're on our driver's side, and the first thing that we're going to do is remove the side panel right here. We're going to take a plastic pry tool, just go in the side and gently pry it out. Just like that. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom and then back through the top. And we're just going to pull that off for right now. Next, we're going to take our cable, plug it into our OBD2. Make sure it's pushed all the way in. And then we're going to take the rest of our cable, feed it through the side port that we just opened up. And then I'm going to take the panel that I removed, and as you can see, it's got some slotted holes on the side. I'm going to use the furthest hole, and I'm actually going to push my cable through that hole, just like that. And then I'm going to push the rest of the wires back to the inside of the truck, and I'm going to reinstall this panel. Now on the side, make sure it goes underneath the rubber, and then it should just push back in place. I'm going to take the end of the cable, plug it into my screen, and then I'm going to take the mount, push that onto the back, lock it into place. Next, we can use the provided alcohol swab to clean the suction mount and where it's going to mount to the windshield. Now we can mount it to our windshield. Stick that on, and then you want to flip the lever over to lock it into position. So now we're going to take the rest of our wire, and we're going to use our provided zip ties to tie it up out of the way. Now with our key in the vehicle and switch to the on or run position, we're going to make our OEM selection. So we are installing this on a Ford. Yes, that's correct. Just keep making your selections for whatever vehicle you're installing this on. And then from here, it'll load your gauges, and you can make all the customizations that you want. Alright guys, that's going to complete the installation. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online.